Okay, for this video, we are going to do an experiment. So we need a
pencil
and a Ziploc bag. Good job. So let's start. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Let's do it. Okay, pour the water slowly, okay? Slowly but surely. Good job. So, and the next step is we are going to seal it very tight, okay? Very tight. Yes, very tight
Slowly.
like this.
Wow,
Yes.
water here.
Yeah, just put water half of the bag. Or, yeah, three quarters. Okay, now it's time for you to poke. No, not yet, Kuya. Let's use this one in case the water will drip, okay? Okay. Okay, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Can Mama try first?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Mommy just is right.
Okay. Go. Wow! How it works? The water is not leaking.
Yeah. I did it.
You did it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay.
Awesome.
Okay. What color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Whips.
Oh, yay!
I did it.
You did it. You're right. You did it. Blue.
Oh, see?
Yes.
Here.
Wow. It works. You're right.
See here?
Yeah.
Oh, see that?
I see it. I see it.
Oh, the pop.
Yeah, the water is not leaking.
What? What you waiting?
Yeah, because you pressed the bag.
Like
Here, a little bit down. Yeah. Don't press the bag. Don't press the bag.
here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow!
Oh,
This is awesome.
Oh, wet.
Yeah, it's wet. It's okay. Wow, this is good, Kuya.
Yeah.
Wow, I can't believe that. Okay, now it's time to unpoke the pencil.
It's cold.
Yeah. Okay, now get the pencil.
Oops.
Let's see.
Wash
Oh!
away.
The water is dripping now.
See what?
Yay!
No more water here.
Yeah, so our experiment is success.
It's dripping.
Hold on. Okay, for those who don't have a Ziploc, pwedeng gamitin ito. Pwede yung mga lagayan ng isda, hugasan nyo lang para hindi malasa. Okay. Wow! Itali lang siya ng mahigpit para yung air hindi makalabas. Ito siya.
Oh.
Ayan. Itali lang siya ng nakahigpit para hindi siya makalabas.
Head. That's me.
Yeah. Okay, now okay, Josh. Saksakin mo na, Josh. Saksakin mo na. Poke the pencil. Poke with the pencil.
Pencil.
Yeah. Okay, what color is that?
Purple.
Okay, let's see.
It's pop.
See, it works. The water is not dripping. Okay, how about what color is that?
Buddha. It
Yay,
works.
it works.
The normal poop.
Okay.
Try. Oh, flipping.
Sorry, guys. I poke it so hard. See? Still works. Not bad.
Honey.
See?
See? It's
Yeah.
rolling
Yeah.
down. It's purple. Buddha.
Wow.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Oh, poop again.
Amazing. Okay, can I poke it here? What color is this?
Yellow. Purple.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Oh, so pwede pala yung mga lagayan ng isda, mga
Oh.
mamshis.
Put here.
Eh, pwede siya. Pwedeng, let's spin. Spin, spin. Tuyok, tuyok, gamay. Ikot, ikot. Okay. So, that's all for today. Say bye-bye, kuya.
Bye-bye.